Welcome to Investor Web, where we turn complex concepts into actionable insights. Today, we're delving into a crucial skill that plays a pivotal role both in the realms of investment and everyday life, mastering the art of decision-making. Whether you're deciding on stocks, career moves, or just planning your day, the ability to make clear, confident decisions is indispensable. Our discussion will not just illuminate the process, but also provide practical steps to enhance this vital skill. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 10 ways to refine your decision-making skills. First up, understanding your goals. The journey of decision-making begins with a clear destination in mind. Imagine setting sail without knowing your port of call. Similarly, how can one make effective decisions without clear objectives? The importance of setting well-defined goals cannot be overstated. It acts as a compass, guiding each choice and action you take. Knowing what you want to achieve simplifies the entire decision-making process. It helps in filtering out the noise, those options and opportunities that don't align with your ultimate objectives. Ask yourself, what are the end results I'm aiming for? Is it financial growth, innovation, or perhaps market expansion? By answering these questions, you create a framework within which every possible decision can be evaluated. This clarity not only streamlines your choices, but also boosts your confidence in making those choices. You are no longer guessing, you are strategically selecting options that propel you towards your goals. With clear goals, your decisions become steps towards success. Next, gather relevant information. In the realm of decision-making, information acts as your compass, guiding you through the fog of uncertainty. To steer your decisions in the right direction, it's essential to arm yourself with knowledge. Begin by identifying what you need to know to make an informed decision. Once your objectives are clear, dive into the process of gathering data. Consulting with experts can provide insights that are not readily available through conventional sources. These professionals bring a depth of understanding and experience that can illuminate the most complex aspects of any issue. Furthermore, immerse yourself in relevant literature. Books, scholarly articles, and industry reports can offer a wealth of information that might drastically shift your perspective and enhance your understanding. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of reliable data sources. In today's digital age, data is plentiful, but quality is key. Seek out databases and platforms known for their credibility and comprehensive coverage. Armed with the right information, your decisions will be more grounded and less speculative. Consider multiple perspectives. When faced with a decision, it's tempting to follow the first solution that comes to mind. However, the most effective decision-makers understand the importance of viewing situations from various angles. This approach not only broadens your understanding, but also mitigates the risk of oversight. Imagine you're considering investing in a new market. While initial reports and data might seem promising, engaging with local experts, analyzing competitor strategies, and considering economic forecasts can provide a more comprehensive picture. This diversity in viewpoints can be like piecing together a puzzle. Each piece contributes to a clearer, more complete image. Encourage yourself to step outside your comfort zone and seek opinions from those who might see the world differently. Whether it's a mentor in a different industry, a peer from another department, or even articles and forums with opposing views, each source can add valuable insights to your decision-making process. Viewing your decisions through multiple lenses can reveal the best path forward. Let's weigh the pros and cons. In the intricate dance of decision-making, balancing the positive and negative aspects of each option is akin to finding the perfect harmony in a complex melody. A practical approach often involves laying out all the benefits and drawbacks side by side to visualize which option tips the scale in favor of your goals. Imagine you are considering investing in new technology for your business. On the pro side, this technology could streamline operations, boost productivity, and potentially increase profits. However, on the con side, it involves substantial upfront costs, training for staff, and a period of adjustment that might temporarily disrupt your operations. By meticulously analyzing these factors, you can foresee potential challenges and rewards. This method not only clarifies the immediate impact of your decision, but also its long-term implications on your business's growth and stability. Balancing these factors helps mitigate risk and maximize benefits. Time to trust your instincts. In the labyrinth of decision-making, there's a powerful, often overlooked guide, your intuition. It's that spontaneous feeling that often nudges you towards a decision before all the facts are fully weighed. But when should you listen to this internal compass? Intuition functions like a seasoned detective. It picks up on subtle cues and patterns that your conscious mind may miss. This is particularly valuable in situations where rapid decisions are necessary or when there's an overwhelming amount of information that makes logical analysis impractical. However, rely on your gut feeling with a pinch of caution. It's crucial in scenarios where you have deep experience and knowledge. In unfamiliar territories, it's wise to temper intuition with thorough research and reasoned thinking. Remember, while instincts can lead you astray if not grounded in experience, they can also be a profound source of wisdom. Harnessing this instinctual power effectively requires understanding its strengths and limitations. Sometimes your gut feeling leads you to the quickest and best decision. Avoid decision fatigue. It's a real phenomenon where making too many decisions in a short span can seriously impair your ability to judge what's best. This is particularly relevant in high-stakes environments where each choice can have significant consequences. Imagine your brain as a battery that drains with each decision made. To manage this, start by prioritizing your decisions. Tackle the most important ones when your mental energy is at its peak. Often that's early in the day. Incorporate breaks into your schedule. Stepping away from decision-making tasks can recharge your mental batteries. Even a short walk or a few moments of meditation can reset your focus and improve clarity. Also, consider simplifying the choices you face daily. Routine decisions, like what to wear or eat, can be planned in advance to conserve mental energy for the more critical decisions. By effectively managing your decision-making energy, you ensure that your choices are made with the sharpest and freshest mind. Keep your decision-making sharp by managing your cognitive load. Learn from the past. It's often said that history is our greatest teacher, and this holds particularly true in the realm of decision-making. Reflecting on previous decisions, both the triumphs and the missteps, is not merely an exercise in reminiscence but a crucial strategy to refine our decision-making prowess. Imagine dissecting a past decision where the outcome was not as expected. What were the assumptions made? Were there alternative options overlooked? This kind of analysis helps identify patterns and pitfalls that, once recognized, can be avoided in future scenarios. Conversely, when a decision leads to a successful outcome, it's equally important to understand why. Was it the thoroughness of your research, the advice you took, or perhaps just the timing? Understanding the elements that led to success can transform them into repeatable strategies. Incorporating this habit of reflection transforms every past decision into a stepping stone towards more insightful and effective future choices. Every decision is a learning opportunity. Set a deadline for your decisions. In the intricate dance of decision-making, deadlines are not just markers, they are catalysts. When you allocate a specific time frame to resolve a decision, it sharpens your focus and curtails the all-too-human tendency to procrastinate. Imagine decision-making as navigating a complex labyrinth. Without a deadline, it's easy to wander endlessly, exploring every possible path and angle, which can be as exhausting as it is unproductive. Setting a deadline forces you to streamline your process, to prioritize the essential and disregard the extraneous. It's crucial, however, to strike a delicate balance. Give yourself enough time to gather the necessary information and weigh the options, but avoid setting such distant deadlines that they invite overthinking or paralysis by analysis. An effective deadline is like setting the right pace in a race. Not too fast to trip over your own steps, not too slow that you lose momentum. Deadlines push you to commit and move forward. Finally, stay flexible. In the art of decision-making, adaptability isn't just a useful skill, it's a critical one. The landscape of information and circumstances can shift dramatically, sometimes even in the blink of an eye. When we anchor ourselves too rigidly to a single decision or path, we risk missing out on potentially better opportunities that emerge along the way. Consider this: a decision made with yesterday's information might not be the right decision tomorrow. Being flexible means you are willing to reassess and adjust based on new data and changing situations. This approach doesn't imply inconsistency, rather it reflects a thoughtful responsiveness to the dynamic world in which we operate. Moreover, flexibility allows you to experiment and innovate. It encourages a mindset where mistakes are not seen as failures but as vital steps in the learning process, leading to more refined decisions. In essence, embracing flexibility helps you navigate uncertainty and complexity with more ease. Flexibility can be your greatest asset in decision-making. To master decision-making, integrate these strategies into your daily routine. Start by understanding your goals and gathering all necessary information. Consider multiple perspectives and weigh the pros and cons. Trust your instincts and avoid decision fatigue. Learn from past decisions, set deadlines, and always remain flexible. Remember, good decision-making isn't just an innate ability. It's a skill that can be honed and developed, playing a critical role in both personal and professional realms. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Make your next decision a great one.